Again, we're supposed to multiply two rectangular forms. So we have 4 times 2 is equal 8. Okay, 4 times 2. Next, we're supposed to multiply 4 by j6. 4 times 6 is equal 24. And I'm going to have j24. Next, I have to multiply j5 by every single term in the second parenthesis. So I have j5 times 2 is j10. j5 times j6 is equal j squared, sorry. This is equal. Combine the like terms, we have 8. j24 plus j10 is equal j34. j squared is -1, so I have plus -1 times 30. So I have 8. -1 times 30 is -30 plus j34. 8 minus 30 is equal -22 plus j34. And this is the solution to my problem.